Welcome back. It's your travel friend Herman, and in this video I'm going to show you the Memmo Príncipe Real, which was the Marriott hotel that I stayed in while I was in Lisbon. This is actually one of their boutique hotels, so it doesn't really show up as much on their website as some other hotels, but the view from this hotel alone was probably the reason why you should stay. I was able to book this hotel for 50,000 Marriott points per night, which at first I thought it was going to be a lot, but it was totally worth it. Everything about the hotel was so well manicured, the placement, the service was top-notch. With the kind of infinity pool overlooking the city. Nailed it, really did. Look at the view from the hotel. Definitely an A+ view. And this room is phenomenal. Ahí se ve la ciudad, or you can see the city there. There's the almost like an infinity pool right there overlooking the city. Fireplace. And for my last night at the hotel, I decided to actually try the restaurant that's on premise and ordered their roasted pork, which I never order in any restaurant I ever go to. And it was delicious, just the perfect consistency and flavor. And for dessert, I had their tiramisu, which is very fluffy, very sweet, and just right. This was, I think, my favorite hotel that I've ever stayed at in the Marriott portfolio, so definitely check it out. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And until next time.